Have you ever wondered what it's like to survive in the world's hottest desert without water? Well, today we are diving into a wild adventure inspired by MrBeast's latest challenge. And everyone, please like this video. Everyone, please, 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 guys, because right now my every video goes to just 1k views and get 3 to 4 likes because and no get more views. So please, guys, please just like, please. I want just one thing, okay, to you. And let's start our video without wasting more time. As you know, guys, this is my sixth video of today on 4th December 2024. And as you know, this is my new adventure story. Where you from? You just learn, love, and entertain ourselves. Okay, let's start together. Just imagine this. Okay, uh, scorching sun, endless sand dunes, and not a drop of water in sight. MrBeast takes on this extreme survival challenge, pushing his limits while teaching us some valuable lessons along the way. First off, hydration is key. You might think I can go without water for a day or two. Wow, big challenge. But in temperature, and what is a normal temperature of human body, guys? If you know, so must write in the comments. Okay, otherwise I tell you, you can ask question in the comments below. Soaring above 120 degrees Fahrenheit, that is a recipe, that is a recipe for disaster. Mr. B shows us that preparation is everything. He packs essential survival gear like a solar powered fan and a portable water filter, highlighting the importance of planning ahead in any situation. Next up, let's talk about mindset as he battles heat, exhaustion, and fatigue. And what is exhaustion and what is fatigue? Must write the defines in the comments if you are a science student. Otherwise, you can ask questions in the comments below. Then I will tell you about their two meanings. Okay. Mr. Beast reminds us that mental strength is just as crucial as physical endurance. When you face challenges that seem impossible, remember resilience is what keeps you going. It's about finding motivation in the struggle and pushing through when you feel like giving up. But here is the real kicker: survival is not just about enduring hardships, it's about learning from them. Every setback can teach you something valuable. Mr. Beast uses his experience to educate his audience on the importance of respecting nature and understanding our environment. So what can we take away from this incredible journey, whether it's tackling a tough project at work or navigating life's unexpected challenges? Remember to prepare well, stay mentally strong, and embrace every lesson along the way. Okay. And as you know, guys, what is called mentally strongness? Okay, if you know, then tell me in the comments. Okay, where how much your brain is strong, must write in the comments. Okay, then we will make fun together and enjoy and learn together. In the end, Mr. Beast does not just survive the desert, he thrives and inspires us to do the same in our own lives. So go out there and conquer your own deserts. Bye for now.